find dy dx when x squared plus exponent xy plus y squared equals to 1. For x squared, we're going to use power rule as it in the form of x to the power of n. So power rule is bring down the power, copy down the x, and the power minus 1. For exponent xy, we're going to use exponential differentiation, and we're going to differentiate f prime and copy down exponent fx. For xy, we're going to use product rules, where we're going to use u v prime plus vu prime for the f prime. And for the y squared, we're going to use, and for y squared, we're going to use y to the power n, where we can bring down the power n, copy down the y, the power minus 1, and times with dy dx. 1 here, it is a constant. Once we differentiate constant, and it becomes 0. So now let us differentiate. Differentiate x squared, so bring down the power, copy down the x, and the power minus 1, which is 1, plus, so we're going to differentiate xy using the product rules. Our u is our x, differentiate y with respect to x is dy dx, plus v, which is our y, and differentiate x with respect to x is 1, y plus y times 1 is y. Now copy down, so we need to put a bracket here, so times with exponent xy plus, now we're going to differentiate y squared, so bring down the power, copy down the y, the power minus 1 is 1, and times with dy dx equals 2, and once we differentiate 1, it becomes 0 because it is a constant. So now let us bring this 2x to the right hand side, so it becomes negative 2x, and I'm going to expand this x dy dx and y with exponent xy. I'm going to rearrange it on the same time, so it becomes x exponent xy dy dx plus y exponent xy plus 2y dy dx. So now let us collect all this dy dx together, and for y exponent xy, we're going to bring it to the right hand side. Minus y exponent xy, and as for exponent xy dy dx and 2y dy dx, we're going to factorize, and we're going to get x exponent xy plus 2y. So we can cross multiply to get dy dx equals 2. So I'm going to factorize this negative 2x plus y exponent xy, and once I cross multiply, I'm going to get x exponent xy plus 2y. That's it.